Hi Cancerians, welcome to my channel. This is a general tarot reading for those of you who are looking for answers, for those of you looking, for confirmation messages from the other person who are you not in touch with currently. So let's see what they are thinking of. Also, these are general readings, so might not resonate with each one of you. Also, check your moon and rising sign for a better picture. Alright, Cancerians, quickly let's see what is happening. Alright, so Cancerians, there's a lot of defensive energy at their end. They probably think that you are not taking them seriously. The offer that, probably you didn't take the offer. What you don't see are new beginnings around the corner. They are quite upset because they feel that right now they have built a wall around themselves, and they feel that they had really worked hard for this connection and you weren't serious about them. You were looking at other options around you and you weren't paying attention to them. Though they really find you attractive, they really find you very yes, they are very attracted to you, but then again they're not very sure whether the kind of offer they have offered you, are you even serious about it, so that's the energy that they are right now, that's the energy they are in right now. Let me take out more cards and see. If they come to you, what will they tell you? If they come to you, what will they tell you? Yeah, so they will tell you that you are probably juggling them with another person. You are looking for options. You are not you don't have a plan for this connection. You don't have anything planned for this connection. So though they if you assure them that yes, you two are that serious about this connection as they are, they might still be willing to give this offer another chance. But till then, they really need a plan from you. They really need a plan from you because they really need to know what are you thinking, what are you feeling about this connection. Let's see what are your thoughts currently about this connection. So you are currently focused on your money, Cancerians. As I see, you're more focused on your career. You do want to end the not communicating with this person. You really want to end this miscommunication with this person. You really want to be friends with this person, but you don't want to commit to a bigger picture right now. You also want the other person. I think there's a two-party situation wherein you're already in touch and you're more into one more person rather than this person, and you want to keep both. You want to keep both happy. You want to invest equally in both the connections, and that is the reason. But you're also not very happy with this not communicating, not being friends, and there is an awkwardness in the air. So you're not also very happy with this, and that is the reason. I think that's it. You're also not very happy. Let's see what is the outcome of this. What is the outcome of this? Okay, two cards came. So outcome, okay. Outcome is again third party. This reading is shouting third party from your end. It could be for only some of you, but this is shouting third party, and there's a Fool energy. So you could go either ways. Fool is a nice energy, but Fool is also a very very impromptu energy, wherein you don't plan anything but you just do it, sort of energy. So it could go either ways, but as of now you really want these two people to be happy wherever they are in your life, as in even they're friends with you or whatsoever. That is your current energy. So that is, you could go either ways. You could tomorrow get up and think that okay, this person that you're looking at the reading for is the one for you, so let me go. Or you could go either way. So that is your reading right now. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more information and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.